A great lion was sleeping in the forest. A tiny mouse, not seeing where she was going, ran across the lion's nose. The lion...
What you're watching right now is not created by a big studio like Disney or Pixar. It's created by SEEDANCE 2.0, ByteDance's most powerful AI video model yet. And honestly, it's breaking the internet for a reason. Disney sent legal notices. Hollywood is panicking. And filmmakers around the world are calling it a game changer. But here's the thing. A lot of you have been trying to access it and hitting a wall because at this moment, it's only officially available in China. But don't worry, now you can also try it out and create outstanding content. Because Magiclight is here, and now it comes with SEEDANCE 2.0. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access SEEDANCE 2.0 from anywhere in the world, step by step, using Magiclight AI, where it's now fully available. And then, I'm going to take it even further. I'm going to walk you through how I created a full 3D film using nothing but this tool and my imagination. Let's dive in. The easiest way to access SEEDANCE 2.0 from anywhere in the world, no Chinese account, no VPN headaches, no complicated setup, is through a platform called Magiclight AI. Magiclight AI is not just another tool, it's your creative director who coordinates with top generative tools to create a full movie from your idea. Recently, it has integrated SEEDANCE 2.0 directly into its platform. Okay, now let's see how we can access SEEDANCE 2.0 inside Magiclight AI. First, open your browser and head over to magiclight.ai. I'll drop the link in the description below. Once you land on the homepage, click on Get Started and sign up for a free account. Once you are logged in, you will land in this interface. Here you will find several AI tools and features for creating videos. You can turn a story into a video, create kids' story videos, religious videos, music videos, and others. To access SEEDANCE 2.0, select the Image to Video tool from here. Okay, this is the Image to Video Generator interface. Come to the Video Model setting. Here, you will find all the popular AI video generator modes. We have to select the SEEDANCE 2.0 model. Once the model is selected, we have to upload the reference image. For example, I am uploading this image. Once the image is uploaded, we have to enter the prompt here in this box. After entering the prompt, set the resolution and duration of the video, and then hit the Create Video button. And here it is, the video is ready. And look at the video clip, the motion, the camera work, the character consistency, everything is amazing. So, now you can upload any image, enter the prompt, select the SEEDANCE 2.0 model, and generate the video. This is so simple. However, how can we create a full video using SEEDANCE 2.0? Then we have to use the Story to Video tool from the homepage. Now it's powered by SEEDANCE 2.0. Let's create a kids learning video with SEEDANCE 2.0. Okay, this is the Story to Video Generator interface. First of all, we have to enter the idea or script. If you have only the idea, use the Smart Script option, and if you already have the full script, then use the Basic Script feature. Once the script is ready, set the video duration. You can create a 3-minute to 50-minute long video. After selecting the duration, select the aspect ratio, video language, story model, and style model from here. Next, we have to select the video style. I am selecting Disney style. Once you hit the Next button, Magiclight AI will analyze the script and settings and create the screenplay. You can preview all the scenes, and if you think something needs to be customized, you can do that. Once done, hit the Next button. On the next page, we have to select the cast. The AI automatically detects the characters. If you are not satisfied with the characters, you can change them and select a new character from the library, or even create a new character. To do that, click here. Now, you have to set the name of the character, and then enter the character description. Once done, click on the Generate button. In a few seconds, you will get the character image like this. Now, just save and select the character. Once all the characters are ready, just hit the Next button. Now the AI will start creating the storyboard for the video. This process will take some time. And here it is. All the storyboard is ready. And look at this. Magiclight AI creates all the storyboard images. And they look amazing. The scene, style, and character consistency are commendable. However, if you find anything inconvenient, you can customize every scene, because the image editor is powered by the Nano Banana Pro model. You can customize anything from the image, or even create a new image. Once you complete the preview and customize all the scenes, it's time to turn them into video clips. To do that, click on the Animate button from here, and you will find all the AI video generator models, including SEEDANCE 2.0. After selecting the video generation model, if you want to turn this image by auto prompt, click here, and if you want to use a custom prompt, select this option. Now, enter the text prompt and generate the video. And here it is. The video is ready. This is really amazing. Now, we have to turn all the scene images into video clips. However, this time, I will use the Animate All method to generate all the video clips with a single click. Like this. Alright, since all the video clips are ready, we have to move forward to the next step. Now, you can set the subtitle and background music. Once everything is done, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to render the final video. Once the video is ready, you can review the video or publish it on Magiclight AI. Let's preview the video.
Sunlight dabbles a clearing. White fur dances wildly. Rabbit hops excitedly, a playful taunt to Tortoise, who calmly savors a leaf, unperturbed by the energetic display. Tortoise, with a patient and slightly weary expression, continues to munch.
This is just amazing. So now you can create this kind of amazing, high-quality AI video with consistent characters using Magiclight AI. Now to download the video, click on the download button here. And to publish the video, click on the publish button. So, now you can access SEEDANCE 2.0 and create amazing storytelling videos on Magiclight AI. If you also want to make your animation video, why not try Magiclight AI? I will put the link in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear about your experience creating videos using SEEDANCE 2.0. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!